A bird just almost attacked me, but I'm fine. It didn't get me. So I'm here with Zachary, and we're going to the animal kingdom.
I feel like I just came out of hibernation.
Yeah, we just took naps because I worked this morning and we were tired, so we took a nap, and now we're gonna go to Animal Kingdom. We have a fast pass for Navi River Journey. We have one for Expedition Everest and Dinosaur. And we're gonna meet up with our friends Bree and Austin, and we're gonna have lots of fun. Right, Zach?
Right. Have you ever seen Avatar?
No.
Really?
I've seen an hour of it, and then I took a nap.
We should watch it sometime. It's a good movie.
It's just
long. I know you don't like long movies.
Yeah, we'll watch it sometime. All right, we'll see you there. Bye.
Bye.
Stone wetting, Tineo Sane Avi, Na Ring Ting Lao.
Dinosaur, here we come. I'm coming, sorry.
I know.
What?
I was dancing in front of you.
Oh, I didn't even notice.
20-minute wait, Liz.
It's fun for a minute, and then that's it.
The other day it told us a 50-minute, and it took me and Austin 15.
So we're gonna try it, Zachary.
Oh, but they're actually out here.
Oh, never mind. We'll come back for Dinosaur. Stay tuned. What is this called? Triceratops. Spin or something.
What'd you get?
A float.
Looks
Fanta
delicious.
orange with,
How is it?
tastes like an orange creamsicle. It's delicious.
I got a Mickey pretzel with cheese.
Alright, so I'm finally remembered to finish a video. I'm sunburnt a little bit. We were only here for 4 hours and I got sunburnt, so gotta use that sunscreen next time. And I ripped my shorts. So it's been a fun time, but we had lots of fun, so it's alright. Alright, see you next time.
Bye.